In today's video, we're going to make our own hand sanitizer and learn why you need to know how to make this fantastic do-it-yourself product for your home. Please like, share, and subscribe. This hand sanitizer is rich in antibacterial properties and so supporting the immune system and cleansing the skin. But what I love most about this recipe is its moisturizing benefits. In fact, instead of drying out my skin, it leaves it smooth and supple. Alright, let's get to it. We need 1.5 ounces of aloe vera jelly. Aloe vera jelly is moisturizing, antifungal, antibacterial, and an antioxidant. It also supports skin regeneration and inflammation reduction. I recommend Lily of the Desert. 1 teaspoon of grapeseed oil. Grapeseed oil is a lightweight moisturizer. It's a natural astringent, balances oil production, and supports collagen restoration. Half an ounce of distilled water. 1 2-ounce amber plastic PET bottle. Essential oils I like to use are wild orange, clove bud, eucalyptus, and tea tree essential oils. 5 drops of wild orange essential oil. Wild orange can reduce stress and anxiety. It's antibacterial and an antioxidant. It supports blood circulation, inflammation reduction, and can increase energy and focus. 3 drops of clove bud essential oil. Clove bud is antibacterial, antifungal, and an antioxidant. 3 drops of eucalyptus essential oil. Eucalyptus is antibacterial and an antiseptic. It supports inflammation reduction and concentration and focus. 2 drops of tea tree essential oil. Tea tree is antibacterial, antifungal, and supports inflammation reduction. First, combine half an ounce of water, 1.5 ounces of aloe vera jelly, and 1 teaspoon of grapeseed oil in a bowl. Then add 5 drops of wild orange, 3 drops of clove bud, 3 drops of eucalyptus, and 3 drops of tea tree essential oils and mix well. Next, add mixture to a 2-ounce amber plastic PET bottle. Finally, place lid on bottle and shake well. Put a dime-sized amount in your hand and massage into skin. It's just that easy. Here's the recipe if you'd like a screenshot. Remember, shake well before using and store in a cool, dry space. Thanks for watching, and remember, subscribe, comment, and ring that bell for more wellness content at The Essential Journey, restoring the mind, body, and home with the power of nature.